Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Today in this video I'm gonna teach you how to add new fonts in Premiere Pro. Here's a font which I just downloaded. Here's two different type of fonts. As you can see, we can install both of font in our Premiere Pro, but now I'm gonna show with this TTF font. Double click on font, click on this install button. We need to install this font so we can use it in our Premiere Pro. Font has been installed. Let's open Premiere Pro. Now I'm gonna write something here so that I can show you the font which I just installed now. In this font box, if I type here my new font name, Drex, then we can see here the font has been changed. Let's check out the font name. Here we can see the font name was Drex, and here's the font I'm using in my Premiere Pro. This is how we can add a new font in Premiere Pro. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thanks for staying with 5 Minute Solution.